Okay guys, today we have a 2016 Toyota Camry. We're doing headlight bulbs on. I will put a link in the description where you can purchase the bulbs. I would try to stay away from LED conversion bulbs. They are normally junk. The low beam on this is an H11. I already have this side out, but there's nothing to do to get these out. You see the little tabs right there, the three little tabs? You just put it in. Keep turning it around until you feel it lock in place. Which I believe is right there. You can see the position I'm in. And then you just twist it. And it's done. Other than plugging the electrical connector in. And these are the low beams. And the low beams are normally the outside ones, and the high beams are normally the inside ones. Sorry, I had to put my phone down for a second so I can plug that electrical connector in. Now this is the passenger side one. The driver's side one, right here's the battery, is right there. Hopefully you can see that okay. Literally, I'm just reaching my hand down here, twist it, pull it out. The electrical connector, you can see it, you just push down right here on this tab. Kind of hard doing it one-handed. There's the bulb that I'm pulling out. Here's the new one that I'm putting in. And this lady, well, I'll tell you that story here in a minute. But like I said, you just put it in. You'll feel when it's lined up. Just twist it, get it locked in. Same thing with the electrical connector. There you can see it's all plugged in. That's the low beam. If you have to do the high beam, the procedure is pretty much the same, except I believe they're a 9005 bulb. This lady came in wanting her brakes looked at, driving around with the high beams on, so she knew both her bulbs was out, and she didn't even say anything to us about it. But yeah, both headlight bulbs were out. Super easy replacement. I'll put a link down in the description for the bulbs where you can get them on Amazon. Like I said, stay away from the LED conversions. They don't last. And I hope this helps you, and please subscribe. Thanks.